Okay, so we have a fishing shed, and it's one of our favorite places to be, but it needed a light. And since we didn't want to have to run electricity down there, we went ahead and purchased this solar shed light. Now this can be for indoors or outdoors. This is a daytime available pendant. It's got the light with the pull string, and it's got dusk to dawn settings, 3 lighting modes. Basically, it's waterproof. It can be for a barn, gazebo, shop, garage. As you can tell here, we're putting it on the outside of our fishing shed. Here is the solar panel. We're going to have this on top. My husband went ahead and drilled this in. The cord just runs alongside here, and it's going to go inside. Here is the little device that we're actually going to plug the light into. As you can tell, the green lights show that it's charging, so this is kind of cool. We really like this, and it's the perfect addition without having to do all the extra cost of having an electrician come out. This is something super easy. My husband was able to do it. All you have to do is pull the string, and it goes on and off. Perfect. Lights up the entire shed, which is fabulous. So even on cloudy days, we are able to see, and we don't have to use our phones for lights. This thing is very cool. Highly recommend.